Hello my lovely students, my name is Kushbu and I welcome you back on my channel. I hope you all are fit and fine and taking care of yourselves. Let's look at the following sentences. I run every day. I ran yesterday. I will run tomorrow. Have you observed these sentences? So, now you understood what we will do today? Yes, today we will do tenses. As you already know about verbs. But today what we will do? We will do that how to use the verbs. The tense of a verb shows when something happens. Means it tells us about the time at which the action happens. Whether it is already happened, it is happening now or will happen in the future. Like in the above sentences, I run every day is present tense. I ran yesterday is past tense. And I will run tomorrow is future tense. So present tense tells us about the action happening right now. Past tense tells us about the action which has already happened in the past. It can be yesterday, day before yesterday, last week, last month, last year or any time in the past. And future tense is the action which will happen in the near future. It can be tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. The simple tense verbs simply indicates actions in present, past and future. Let's start with simple present tense. Present tense is used to describe actions that happen regularly, general truth or thoughts, feelings and opinions. Action that happens regularly. For example, I go to gym every day. So this is a habit of going to the gym every day. So we use present tense for the habits which we do regularly, those actions that are happening regularly. Facts and general truth. For example, you are fit. So these are the facts or these are the general truth, means you are fit. So this is a truth. This we cannot change. Not today, not yesterday, not for future also. Thoughts, feelings and opinions. For example, my friend thinks that I am healthy. So for the thoughts, feelings and opinions also we use simple present tense. There are some more examples of simple present tense. Like the sun rises in the east. So it is a natural fact. We cannot change this fact. Like the sun always rises in the east. So we always use simple present tense for it. Tony is a taxi driver. He drives a taxi. So it is also a fact, like it is his habit, it's his routine of driving a taxi every day. So he is a taxi driver. I get up early every morning. So this is also a routine of getting up early every morning. She plays tennis every weekend. Cats like milk. As you already know that cats like milk. We cannot change this fact that cats like milk. It is very cold in winter. As you all know that during winter it is very cold and we generally wear warm clothes in winter. Now let's see simple past tense. The simple past tense is used for actions that have already taken place in the past. We usually add D or ED to regular verbs. Examples of regular verbs in simple past tense that are formed by adding D or ED. He talked loudly in class last week. See, talk became talked. Talk is the present form of the verb and talked is the past form of verb. Next, see example. She combed her hair just now. So, she combed her hair just now. It is a past event and comb is present form and past form is combed. Some verbs are irregular. Their simple past tense is not formed by adding D or ED. Examples of irregular verbs which are not formed by adding D or ED. Jenny ate an orange just now. So, eat is the present form and ate is past form. As you already know that the past tense of eat is ate and ate is not formed by adding D or ED, but yet it is a past form of the verb. Next example. This morning I drank a glass of orange juice. So drink became drank. Drink is the present form and drank is past form of verb. And at last we are having simple future tense. Verbs in simple future tense indicate an action that will happen in the future. For example, Jimmy will be playing in the garden. So here Jimmy is thinking about an action that will happen in near future. And then again after it Jimmy is again thinking, that is Jimmy will eat pizza after playing. Seems a very special day of Jimmy. So simple future tense is formed by adding will or shall before the base verb. Let's see some more examples of it. I will watch television after I complete my homework. I will be in grade 5 next year. I hope you understood simple forms of all the three tenses. For any queries, you can ask in the comment box. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to mention your name, class and section in comment box for your attendance. Have a nice day.